Hello, welcome to Woodline Tracking. It's a wonderful day here in Ohio. We're here in Woodline's classroom, and we've taken a little part out of our handbook, and it's about drones. And we'll talk a little about drones here right now, and remind you this data that we're talking about testing we've done was 4 years ago, plus or minus, and we're working on more as we speak. That's what we do here at Woodline Tracking. We keep on updating our ability and our style of warfare every day, and with good testing resource and experience. So let's listen to it now.
This topic we are talking about civilian class drones, unless noted. If you are up against an enemy drone, move only from thick cover to thick cover when the drone is not overhead. You will hear it, and, when it is overhead, hide in thick brush or under a tree canopy by hugging a tree. The farther the drone is from you, the more difficulty the thermal camera will have identifying you as a human. You may not have to block all of your heat image, just enough so you do not look like a human. You can get down on the ground in a stationary ball. Chances are, underneath the thick canopy, you will not look like a human, and the drone may think that you are a ghost image, hotspot. Most of the time, if you use these evasion techniques, especially during the daytime, the drone will not to find you. Woodline Knights have successfully tested the hugging a tree tactic against a $40,000 drone. Woodline's testing on taking out a drone leads us to recommend using a 12-gauge shotgun with at least a 24-inch barrel with a full choke and 3-inch shotgun shells with BB or T-shot. Woodline does not recommend using birdshot as our test results show it could not penetrate the drone at realistic distances. The maximum range of BB or T-shot is 100 yards. Woodline also recommends using multiple shots, if using a semi-automatic shotgun is an available option for you.
Okay, you can find that information and a lot more in our 4th Gen Night handbook. And don't forget about our appendixes that we go into more details on the chapters that is out there. Again, it's pretty self-explanatory. Drones can't see everything, they can't be everywhere, and there is limits. They are very effective if you aren't trained or have some plan to go up against them. Here's a very basic outline. And like I said, we are trying to figure out more every day as part of our research and development program. So I hope you find this interesting. Remember, time may go on, but you like me not.